Hi, I'm Dave Redfearn, one of the family farmers here at where the Redfearn grows natural farms. And I'm here to let you know about an awesome opportunity to eat garden fresh produce every day, the Redfearn Farm CSA program.
If you're like most Americans, you know the importance of making fresh, organic vegetables a larger part of your diet. You know the dangers of the harmful chemicals used by large corporations to grow most of your food. And you have a sense that we are becoming more disconnected from our food supply. That's why my family started where the Redfern Grows Natural Farm CSA program. We grow scores of different types of vegetables right here in Independence, Missouri, without the use of harmful chemical pesticides or herbicides. We use only approved organic techniques to grow the best tasting, freshest vegetables for our family and yours. By becoming a member of our CSA program, you are entitled to a weekly share of the harvest of these amazing vegetables. This is your chance to eat the freshest, most delicious vegetables all summer long. Get connected to your food and feel confident in the sustainable way in which it is grown. There is so much more information on our website, so check us out. Where the Redfern Grows CSA starts soon. Don't miss out on this chance to take part in revolutionizing your food system. Sign up today and together we'll change the way you eat.